Meaning of eat.
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 Eat. Eat refers to the act of ingesting food through the mouth, usually involving chewing and swallowing. As a result, the body gains nutrients and energy necessary for various physiological functions such as growth, repair and maintenance. The process of eating involves the breaking down of food into simpler components like carbohydrates, proteins and fats that are then absorbed and utilized by the body. Eating is a crucial part of maintaining good health and well-being, and it is essential to consume a balanced diet to support the body's needs.